How to make a website on HubSpot. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website using HubSpot CRM. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to HubSpot.com and you will get to this platform right here. HubSpot is world's famous CRM platform that allows you to do your CRM. You can use HubSpot as a marketing hub, CMS hub, sales hub, operation hub, and service hub. It is free to sign up for. You can get the basic features and tools for free. All you have to do is click on get free CRM and it will allow you to sign up for HubSpot. Signing up process literally takes 1 minute because you can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your first, last name, and email address. I'm going to go ahead and quickly sign in to my HubSpot to show you how we can create a website using HubSpot CRM. So I have signed into my HubSpot, and once you sign in, this is where you will get. On HubSpot, we have the contact information, conversation, marketing, sales, services, automation, and report. Keep in mind that HubSpot is actually a CRM platform and works on your customer relationship. And we can also do marketing on HubSpot. And when it comes to marketing, creating a website is one of the important factors. So if we go to the marketing section right here, you will find all of these different options. We have ads, email, landing pages, and website. And then we also have others such as social SEO, campaign design tool, and forms. We will be creating a website today, so I will click on website and then we can create a blog for the marketing of our business or to improve our CRM, or I can go to website pages. Let's go to website pages and let me show you how HubSpot works and how you can also create a professional website page on HubSpot. So we can go ahead and create one. Click on, you can see we have website pages, landing pages, and blog. So we're not going to be creating landing pages today or a blog. It's quite simple and very similar how you would create a landing page, a blog, or a website page. Let's move on to the website page right here. You can also click on this option right here which says create, and then again we can choose from website page or a landing page. Click on start setting up. So the first step is going to be selecting a theme for our website. Let's go ahead and browse some themes. When it comes to our shop themes, we have a huge collection available on HubSpot to create a website, and a lot of them are completely free. So you can see right here the website pages. These are looking really good and these are all completely free, and filter my search by different categories here. So we are creating a website for our marketing business. So I'm going to click on marketing right here and let's filter our search. We have generator, we have focus. These are all different themes. Okay, this one looks pretty good, so I'm gonna select this one. You can get a preview and click on install for free and it will be installed into your HubSpot. Once it's installed, then now we have what do you want to do next? Start building my site or edit the theme settings. So let's go to building my site. First of all, we have to give our page name. For now, let's call it test. Click on create page and your brand new page will be created for your website. So with the theme that we have, we get all of these different pages, and we have this page, we have contact us page, we have home blank canvas. So I am going with this one, or we have this one right here which is a home page. Let's select this one. Once you select, then it will take you to your editor right here on HubSpot. Let me show you how you edit a page. This is the page right here, and you can see we have all of these different options. Then we can move on to settings, optimize, and publishing tools. Now it depends on you that how you want to add different elements to your website and what are the different contents you want. Let's go ahead and edit the title of the website right here. Click on this title right here, and now I can just edit it out if I want to. I have selected this box right here and it will show me everything that's included here, and this is the text, and I will simply go ahead and type in whatever you want to type. There you go. Now we have the name. Similarly, you can edit this text here. We can also edit the background image if we like. This is the image right here. I can click on replace and it will allow me to insert an image that I already have added to my HubSpot, or I can design one from Canva. I can explore from the marketplace too. This is how you will edit different things right here on your website. Just select the content right here, select the box, and then it will show you all of the things included here. And you can change the style, you can change the font, the size, whatever you want to. If I scroll down and let's say that I want to add new content to my page right here. So we can add columns, icons, planners, then we have buttons. Similarly, we have image gallery, form, icon divider, and it's a simple drag and drop. So it's a simple drag and drop. You drag the content and place it where you want it to be, and it will be added right here on your website. Again, I can add a divider here. There you go. A new divider will be added. So that is how we simply add different contents. I can scroll down. If I want to add a video, if I want to add form, icons, payment button, I will simply drag it and drop it on the website where I want to. Then you can select that content, the URL, of course, in the button. What I can do is I can change the URL. I can also change what the button says. Similarly, I can add different images and change the image that are already there. To add an image gallery, I will scroll down, drag the image gallery and drop it where I want it to be, and then select different images from my computer or the images that I have already uploaded. So now it depends on you how you want to create your page right here on HubSpot. It's very similar to all of these different website builders that we get. Once you have edited all of the contents right here on your website, you can move on to the settings. In settings, you will be able to edit the page title. Let's just call it test. Then we have page language, domain. This is the domain name that you will be getting with HubSpot. Then we have meta description, featured images, all of them, and advanced option. We can also optimize our website the way we want to with the optimize option right here, and it will give you all the insights to what you are missing, what your website should look like, and these are the different suggestions that you can go for. Then we have publishing options right here. Once you have created a website, you can publish it right now. The publish option is available here, and then we can also schedule it for later. For now, I'm not gonna schedule this website. You can get a preview from this option, and it will give you a laptop preview, mobile preview, and a tablet preview of your website that you have just created. So you can go ahead and customize the website you want to. Click on save or exit. I'm gonna save it for now. My website will be saved and I can edit it out anytime I want to. For now, for the purpose of this video, I didn't do a lot, but that's how simply you will create a website using HubSpot. All of the themes are available, all the contents that you want to add, and it will allow you to create a professional website, any kind of website, marketing website, landing pages, or blog on HubSpot. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make a website on HubSpot. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.